Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country on Shein application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video tab. Open your Shein application and make sure that you're logged into it from the main homepage of Shein. If you want to change your country, go to the Meet button at the bottom right-hand corner and give it a tap. From the profile page, tap on the gear button in the upper right-hand corner right next to the QR icon. Now this will open up your settings menu. Tap on country/region option from the list and choose the country that you'd like to change to. Simply select one of the country from the list, and as you can see that my country has been changed. That is how you can easily change your country on Shein application using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.